Are you looking for the best cordless and electric grease guns in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 7 best cordless and electric grease guns. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below. And also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 7th product on our list is the Milwaukee Bear Tool M12 cordless grease gun, best for versatile use. And the Milwaukee Bear Tool 2446 20M12 is no exception. This cordless grease gun is pretty durable and easy to use, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and experts. The Milwaukee Bear Tool 2446 20M12 is an excellent grease gun, which is apparent from the highly favorable user feedback. Due to the gun's ergonomic design, you will find it comfortable to use even after working for long hours. Its 12-volt battery can dispense up to 7 cartridges per charge, and the motor can operate up to a decent pressure of 8,000 psi. It also features an LED fuel gauge, as well as integrated hose storage that can store the 36-inch long flex hose. These features make this grease gun pretty convenient for users. The hose features a spring guard that makes it easy to reach tricky spots. It also comes with an air bleeder valve that primes the gun and ensures a quicker grease flow. Overall, we found this grease gun to be pretty good and easy to use. However, there is one aspect that can make using this gun a bit inconvenient. It does not come with a battery and charger in the box, so you have to purchase them separately. Therefore, this can also increase your expenses a bit. Up next in the 6th place is the Lumax Handyluber 12V cordless grease gun, best for personal projects. The LX1175 Handyluber is another great cordless grease gun manufactured by Lumax. If you are looking for an affordable yet good quality grease gun for your personal use, then this one is a pretty good choice. The Lumax LX1175 Handyluber is a cordless, 12-volt battery-powered grease gun. While it may not be able to provide as great a performance as some higher-powered grease guns, it is more than sufficient for personal use. Its battery can easily deliver up to 5 cartridges of grease without needing to recharge. Furthermore, we observed that the 7,000 psi pressure delivered by the motor provides a good flow rate of 3.5 ounces/min. This is more than enough for any personal projects that you may have. Additionally, the durable and lightweight design makes it pretty convenient for users. And of course, the non-slip grip makes it quite comfortable to handle. You'll also be happy to know that it comes with a 30-inch ultra-flex hose and a chrome-plated barrel that prevents any corrosion. The Lumax LX1175 Handyluber is a great choice for personal or household projects, given the specifications that it comes with. But this also means it is not very well equipped for extensive or commercial usage. If you try to use it in such scenarios, it will become heated and noisy, reducing the gun's lifespan. Coming in at number 5 is the Ryobi 18V cordless grease gun, best for commercial purposes. For the next product on our list, we have the P3410 18V cordless grease gun by Ryobi. This grease gun provides you with another affordable option that you can purchase. And thanks to its powerful motor Ryobi, you can use it for commercial purposes as well. Our overall impression after using this grease gun was quite positive. We found that the 10,000 psi operating pressure and 7.5 ounces/min grease flow rate are quite efficient, especially considering the 18-volt lithium-ion battery that this cordless gun comes with. The battery is quite efficient and long-lasting. It can easily dispense a whopping 19 grease cartridges before it needs to be recharged. This grease gun features a steel grease tube that is very durable. Furthermore, this grease gun comes with an air bleeder valve for quick and easy priming. The 30-inch flexible hose makes greasing difficult spots much easier. In addition to that, you can illuminate those dark and difficult-to-reach spots with the inbuilt LED light. Ryobi did a fantastic job with this powerful grease gun, and you can effectively use it for both small and large greasing tasks. However, the packaging of this grease gun does not include any batteries, which you may find to be somewhat inconvenient. At number 4, we have the Milwaukee 21XCM12 cordless grease gun. Up next on our list, we have another grease gun by Milwaukee. The 244621X-CM12 cordless grease gun is another high-performance battery-powered grease gun that boasts a great user track record. Like most Milwaukee grease guns, this one is also quite easy to use and durable. The Milwaukee 244621XC is a cordless grease gun that uses a rechargeable lithium-ion battery of 12 volts. This battery can supply enough power to output a maximum operating pressure of 8,000 psi, which is sufficient for most personal uses. On top of that, we found that this grease gun could also handle some professional tasks, which makes it a very versatile choice. The grease gun is pretty lightweight, easy to use, and features an ergonomic design. Furthermore, the battery lasts for 7 grease cartridges, which is also pretty decent. Above all, the integrated hose storage is highly useful for storing the 36-inch flexible hose within the grease gun. What's more, it comes with an LED fuel gauge, 30 minute chargers, batteries, and a portable carrying case, among other accessories. This makes using this grease gun very convenient for users. The Milwaukee 244621XC is a well-rounded grease gun that provides good value for money. However, one major flaw that we noticed while using this gun is that it cannot be used for long durations extensively. If you do so, your grease gun will heat up considerably, which can reduce its lifespan. The third product on our list is the Lincoln Industrial PowerLuber. Here we are, reviewing yet another high-quality grease gun from Lincoln Industrial. The Lincoln Industrial 1264 PowerLuber is a lithium-ion battery-powered grease gun that comes with different features that provide great value for money. Aside from the typical device features and specifications, the different additional features really piqued our interest in this grease gun. The grease gun comes with a 3-point base, which we found provides high degrees of stability. It also complements the gun's lighter weight and comfortable grip pretty well. In addition, we found that the dual lip follower is really great at minimizing grease wastage and improving workspace cleanliness by eliminating grease bypass. The 8,000 psi pressure is also sufficient to eliminate any clogged grease fittings in machines. This grease gun also features an integrated vent valve, which makes priming and preparing the gun a lot easier by removing any trapped air. It also comes with a 5-year warranty on the gun and a 2-year warranty on the batteries, so you can use it without any worries. This cordless grease gun is a really great option to go for. However, we noticed that the battery efficiency of this grease gun is not quite up to the mark, so you might need to recharge frequently, which can be a little bothersome. Second on our list is the Ingersoll Rand cordless grease gun. The Ingersoll Rand LUB 5130 is another cordless grease gun that deserves our attention. This grease gun comes with several features that make it high quality and easy to use. So, if you want a good quality and efficient grease gun for your personal uses, you may consider this one. There are several reasons why we like the Ingersoll Rand LUB 5130. First off, this grease gun is powered by a 20-volt lithium-ion battery, which provides considerable juice for its powerful motor. The motor features an all-metal drivetrain that makes it pretty durable. This motor is also capable of delivering 6,250 psi, which is sufficient for most greasing and lubricating tasks. You'll also see that the grease gun is pretty easy to use, thanks to its ergonomic design and lighter weight. The gun weighs only 7.2 pounds and features a soft, over-molded grip that maximizes comfort. Thus, you won't be fatigued while using this gun. In addition to the above, the gun features an optional shoulder strap hook for added support and convenience. We found this to be quite a practical addition, especially for carrying the gun around conveniently. One major drawback of this grease gun is that it is a bit pricier than some of our previous choices. Furthermore, the grease gun also does not come with a battery and charger, and you will need to shell out extra cash for them. Finally, the top product on our list is the Milwaukee M18 2-speed cordless grease gun. Another great grease gun from Milwaukee, the 264620 M18 2-speed cordless grease gun is a pretty good choice for both beginners and professionals. This grease gun comes with a host of unique features that make the gun capable of handling both personal and professional workloads. The Milwaukee 264620 M18 caught our attention because of its high-performance specifications. This gun features high pressure and high flow rate output that is suitable for professional-grade tasks. With that being said, you can also use it for personal tasks thanks to its 2-speed feature. The gun also comes with an extra long flex hose of 48 inches, which makes it easier to access the most difficult to reach grease fittings in a machine. It also features a lock-on/lock-off trigger for better convenience. In addition to that, the air bleeder valve ensures that you can quickly prime the grease gun for use. Also, you can utilize the inbuilt grease counter dial to increase the precision of this grease gun. Due to having so many unique features, this grease gun comes with a relatively hefty price tag that may put it out of your reach if you have a tight budget. Also, we found that the grease gun is pretty heavy, which can be an inconvenience. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.